How to stop supervision in Google Family Link. First, open the Google Family Link application. In order to show you the entire process, I need to have extra device. Right now I do not have it, but I'll tell you what to do. Once you open the Google Family Link application, tap on the child's profile that you can see at top. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option Controls. Now tap on the option Account Settings. After you do that, you'll have to tap on the option About Supervision. You'll be led to another interface. Read all the informations very carefully. Tap on the option Stop Supervision. Follow the final on-screen prompts in order to confirm stopping the supervision. Now the supervision will be stopped. Like this, you'll be able to stop supervision in Google Family Link. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.